Hey, what's up everybody? I will show you how to get any niche WordPress website in less than 2 minutes, including e-commerce, personal brands, you name it. So let's get started. If you want to have full step-by-step tutorial, go to MMOLEARN.com. The link is in the description. You'll find everything you need to learn how to start a WordPress website from scratch all the way to building a page like this one. Now let me show you how easy it is to create a professional looking website using WordPress. First, go to B-Team and click Pre-Build Websites. Here you will find over 726 ready-made websites for almost any niche you can think of, from doctors to florists to tailors and more. On the left side, you can browse by category like fashion, finance, health, beauty, and many others. If you want to preview a design, just click on a little eye icon. I'm going to pick a default store. Click Select. The next step, tick both boxes to remove alt content. Press Delete and the team will begin installing. Once it's done, press Check your website. And just like that, you got a fully built store ready to go in minutes. You can customize it however you want. Click a product. You'll see color options, sizes, discounts, a clean description, and even customer reviews. It's all there. To edit anything, just go to the top and click Edit with the BeBuilder. Now you're in a full control. You can easily change any text or image, delete sections you don't like, add the new ones. It's drag and drop builder. Just select the move icon and drag any section whenever you want, even all the way down to the page. Want to change how products are shown? Click on Feature Products, switch your columns from 4 to 2. And now only 2 items are displayed instead of 4. Click on any element to edit its settings. Go into Advanced Backgrounds to adjust colors, spacing, and more. You have full control. Want to add something new? Just drag an element from the left side onto your page and done. To remove something, just right-click and delete it. That's how easy it is to build a professional WordPress store, and not just one. You had access to over 700 pre-built websites for all kinds of niches.